If you're still relying on hand files for your metalwork, you're missing out on the incredible versatility of the Carbide Burr. Made from tungsten carbide, these tools are built for extreme durability and heat resistance, allowing them to chew through metal at high speeds. While files are great for precision, a Carbide Burr can remove material in seconds that would take minutes by hand. Let's start with mild steel, the workhorse of fabrication. Carbide burrs make grinding these surfaces feel effortless. For mild steel, a double-cut burr is ideal. It removes material quickly and leaves a relatively smooth finish for further work. Stainless steel is tougher and tends to work harden, but carbide burrs handle the heat perfectly. The key is to keep the tool moving. This prevents heat buildup and ensures the metal doesn't harden against your cut. Then there's titanium, incredibly strong but a nightmare for standard tools. Specialized carbide burrs are essential here. With the right tooth geometry, carbide burrs can mill titanium with precision, making them vital for high-end engineering tasks. Aluminum is softer, but it's notorious for clogging up tools. That's where specialized aluminum-cut burrs come in. These burrs have wide flutes that prevent the sticky aluminum from loading up the teeth, ensuring a clean, continuous cut. Beyond materials, the variety of shapes, like ball, cylinder, and tree, allows you to reach into tight corners and shape complex curves. To get the most out of your burrs, remember, high RPM is usually better, and let the tool do the work without pushing too hard. And never skip the safety gear. Eye protection is a must when you're dealing with high-speed metal removal. From steel to titanium, carbide burrs are a game changer for your workshop productivity and precision. Upgrade your toolkit and experience the difference yourself. They really are the ultimate material removal tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next project.